What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Content Craze. My name is Lissa, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that I've noticed happening in my analytics. And that is that one of my videos has a really high audience retention rate, but a really low view rate and a really low click-through rate. And we're going to talk about what some of the possible problems could be with this. And we're going to go into my analytics and find out exactly what's going on and what I can do to fix this. So what does it mean when you have a video that has a high audience retention rate but low views or a low click-through rate? Well, generally this means that your thumbnails or your titles are not enticing people to click on them. So we're going to go into my analytics and look at this video and compare it to some of my other videos to see if I can figure out how I can change this to increase the views. Here we are in my analytics, and what I want to do is I want to go up to the Reach tab, and right here on the chart I want to click See More. And this will bring up all of my videos and a whole bunch of different things that we can look at. And the three that I want to pay attention to are the impressions, the click-through rate, and the views. The video that we were talking about is right here, and it's called YouTube Analytics for New YouTubers. And it has 362 impressions, which means that this video has been shown across the platform 362 times. And of that, I've only got 30 views, which gives me a 1% click-through rate. Now, when people do watch this video, they are enjoying the video, they are getting a lot of information out of it, which is why the view duration is so high. So what can I do to bring more people to this video so they can enjoy it as well? Well, let's compare it to some of my other thumbnails and see what is different. Now on this one, again, same background that I always use. The text is the same, it's in the same location, I'm in the same location, but what's different is what I'm doing, and that's the one thing that changes in my thumbnails is what I'm doing. In this video, I look very confused and I've got some question marks around. It could be something as simple as the expression I'm making. It could be something as simple as people don't like the question marks. So let's compare it to some of my other videos. Now you'll see down here at the bottom, I have one that has a 10% click-through rate. When you first look at that, you think that is phenomenal, but I'm actually not going to count this one in this comparison. And the reason I'm not going to count it is because this video just posted yesterday. And when you first post a video, YouTube sends it out to the subscribers on your channel that are the most active. So you're bound to have a higher click-through rate when you first post a video. And as YouTube pushes your videos out to other people, your click-through rate will begin to drop. And that is completely normal. So because this video just posted yesterday, I don't really have a good idea of what my click-through rate is going to be for this video, so I am not going to count this one. So this one here, understanding YouTube traffic sources, this one has a 7.3% click-through rate. Not really anything much different except for the expression that I'm making on my face. This one, I'm actually holding my computer, and this one is a 6.8% click-through rate. And I've noticed that the videos where I'm holding stuff, I tend to have around a 6 to 7% click-through rate. This one here is a 3.2% click-through rate, and I'm just standing there pointing. I think one of the things I want to change is I want to hold something. Also, maybe putting some numbers or charts or something around me. I'm not sure. I'm going to play with this a little bit. But now I have an idea of what gets people to click on my videos, then fine-tune my thumbnails to get more people to click on it so I can get more views, because this video is obviously very helpful because people are watching a very good portion of it. But if I can't get people to click on it, that's not going to mean anything. So I'm going to continue to go through my analytics and compare this thumbnail and title to my other videos, thumbnails and titles. I'm going to take notes on this and compare differences, and then try to come up with a couple of different types of thumbnails that I think might intrigue people more. All right, you guys, so this is the new thumbnail I've come up with. I think this one will do a lot better. I'm gonna put it up on the video and give it about a week and see how it does. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if you did, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll talk to you guys next time.